The highly anticipated Honor 90, which took the global markets by storm earlier this year, is now ready to make its debut in our very own India. And guess what? We've got all the juicy details for you. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Before we delve into the tech specs, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss any of our latest tech updates. The Honor 90 has been making waves across the globe ever since its international launch, and now it's set to conquer the Indian market. A reliable source tipped us about the expected timeline for its release in the country. However, it's worth noting that Honor is yet to make an official announcement regarding its arrival here. Now, let's talk about the juicy tech stuff. The Honor 90 is expected to come packed with some impressive features, much like its global variant. Imagine a stunning 6.7-inch OLED display offering an incredibly smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Whether you're gaming or simply scrolling through your social media feed, this display is sure to deliver an unparalleled visual experience. Powering this beauty is the mighty Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 chipset, ensuring seamless performance and efficient multitasking. So whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or a productivity enthusiast, this device has got you covered. Picture-perfect moments await. The Honor 90 boasts a triple rear camera setup neatly housed in two circular modules accompanied by an LED flash with an impressive 200-megapixel primary camera along with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide and macro camera and a 2-megapixel depth camera. Your photography game is about to reach new heights. And for all the selfie lovers out there, the 50-megapixel front-facing camera is all set to capture your best angles and make your video calls crystal clear. We know how crucial performance is for a smooth smartphone experience. The Honor 90 packs a punch with its Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 chipset, coupled with up to a whopping 12GB of RAM and a generous 512GB of inbuilt storage. Say goodbye to lag and hello to efficiency. Oh, and did we mention the 5000 mAh battery with 66-watt fast charging? Your phone will be charged up and ready to go in no time, ensuring you stay connected throughout the day. Aesthetics matter, and Honor knows that well. The global variant of the Honor 90 comes in three stunning color options: emerald green, midnight black, and diamond silver. Finally, this beauty runs on the latest Android 13-based Magic UI 7.1, offering you a seamless and intuitive user experience. So there you have it, folks. The Honor 90 is all set to make its grand entry into India, and we couldn't be more excited. Remember to keep an eye on official announcements for the exact launch date. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your tech-savvy friends. And of course, hit that subscribe button to join our tech-loving community for more exciting updates. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay tuned and stay techy. Goodbye.